Blaise Pascal, 1623 to 1662 was the length of this mathematician's life. Pascal was born June 19, 1623 in Clermont-Ferrand, France. His mother died 1623. Father, 18, was a judge at the tax court. His sister, Jacqueline, born in 1625, was with them and began her literacy career as they moved to Paris in 1631. Pascal also began his interest and expertise in mathematics. From a young age, 16 to 19, he is quickly known for the mystic hexagon theorem, in which he invented, as well as writing a geometry book, inventing an ancestor of the modern computer, and more specifically known for finding the probability theory. Probability theory began as a gambling problem or the game of chance, known now as expected value. It was invented with help from a friend, Pierre de Fermat. It was invented to solve the study of two gambling problems a friend of Pascal's had. The dice game and the problem of points later became Pascal and Fermat's legacies. The probability types are subjective, experimental, theoretical. Subjective, basically an educated guess. An example could be guessing who will win in a game, betting on it, perhaps to make it gambling. Experimental, what we know will happen with what can repeatedly happen for future use. An example would be a weather reporter using data from the histories of specific weather or likely weather, as well as tomorrow's likely weather, to make predictions. Theoretical, using the number of outcomes and how many correspond to the question. An example would be flipping a coin. In Chapter 8, Intro to Probability, in Book 2, Section 8.1 to 8.5, the course specifically uses theoretical probability more often than the others. We've gone over this in this course several times on homework and notes, using concepts such as events and outcomes. Examples are dice and cards, the complement of event, the odds for an event, the odds against an event, and expected value. In Chapter 9, Probability and Counting, Section 9.1 to 9.3 in that book 2, uses the same types of probability theory that we've been using in this course as well, which use concepts such as independent events and conditional probability. Blaise's accomplishments were the Pascal's triangle and him being one of the fathers of probability theory, in which he made his career.